Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you this amazing fried stuffed chicken wings. This was served up with some cranberry butter sauce and some cranberry rice. It was absolutely delicious. First, we will be deboning our chicken wings. Make sure to cut the chicken directly on the joint so it can be easily pushed all the way back. Sometimes it is stuck like on the tendon. You can use a knife and cut that little string and keep pushing the chicken all the way back. And that's it. And that is how you debone your chicken wings. Then we are going to season our chicken wings. Everything that I'm using here will be in the description box. You can also season to your likeness and taste. For the stuffing, I'll be using ground beef, carrots, and cabbage. The rest of the herbs that I add here will be in the description box. So now we are going to stuff our wings. And let us be mindful and not overstuffing our wings. Absolutely amazing. I did also do another video where I baked the chicken wings. I think if you guys are interested, you're going to check the link out in the description box for that one as well. So here I have some grated Parmesan and some seasoned breadcrumbs, eggs, and flour, seasoned flour. You're going to first season, you're going to first flour the chicken wings, then you're going to egg wash and place it in this amazing seasoned breadcrumbs Parmesan mixture. This is my absolute favorite, by the way. And we are going to fry for about 7 to 8 minutes or until golden brown. My oil was about 260 degrees, 260 to 80. This was the bomb, guys. This was absolutely amazing. And look how it looks. It was so crunchy on the outside, absolutely juicy on the inside. Everything was cooked all the way through. Well, let me show you what the inside of the chicken wings look like. Perfect. Again, if you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye-bye.